Hi, I'm Casey Cabot. I'm sailing the 49er here at the U.S. Sailing Team Camp in January.
Hi, I'm Cam Farah. I'm from Fort Walton Yacht Club.
And I'm Matthew King. I'm from Sarasota, Florida.
I'm sailing with Reed Lorimer, and we're training for the Olympics in 2024.
We're here sailing NACRA 17s for this week's camp, and we're learning a ton and just enjoying everything that Miami has to offer.
We're really excited to be here in Miami. Obviously, we have some beautiful conditions here.
We're just waiting for wind right now. It's 1:23 and day 5 of the camp, so we've been having a pretty good time so far.